The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S10 for Boost Mobile. So finally the S10 makes its way to Boost Mobile. This one has been out on all the carriers for over a year now, and now finally Boost Mobile is getting the regular Galaxy S10. Boost Mobile got the Galaxy S10e last year. I don't know why Boost Mobile got that instead of this one, but now Boost Mobile finally has the regular Galaxy S10. Even though even though this one is a year old now, it's still worth getting, of course. So the Galaxy S10 is available now for $649.99. It's currently on sale. The full retail price for the Galaxy S10 is $749.99. And if you guys use the promo code Memorial 2020, y'all guys will get an extra 20% off of that. So it would be cheaper than $649. So check advantage of that if you guys are interested. So you guys know what the specs are of the Galaxy S10. I should not to tell you what the specs are, but I will anyway. So this is what the S10 looks like. You guys know what the phone looks like and all, right? There's a whole bunch of like this in camera. Volume keys on the left, and you also have a Bixby key right here on the left. And your power button is like right here. So yeah. This is the right side of the phone. Yeah, you have your power button right here. You'll have an in-display fingerprint sensor, so it's pretty nice. There's the front of the screen that's curved on both sides. There it is from the other angle. And then on the back of the Galaxy S10, you guys know it has 3 cameras. Camera for Samsung logo and the Galaxy S10 branding, and it's available in black here. So as I said, the Samsung Galaxy S10, it doesn't just stand out, it stands apart. Completely redesigned to remove interruptions. No nuts, no distractions. Power is yours to share with wireless power share. Store more, do more with up to 1 terabyte of storage. Put a pro-grade camera in your pocket with a full kit. One is built right now. The Samsung Galaxy S10 adapts to you, so you don't have to adapt to it. So, this is a flagship phone in 2019. It's still a pretty good phone in 2020. Of course, this one is a year old. I don't know why Boost Mobile could not just get this one last year, but late is better than never. So here we go. So this one will be compatible with the T-Mobile network, so that's pretty cool. So the specs on the Galaxy S10, this is the regular S10. It has a 6.1-inch display, S16 megapixel main camera on back, 34 hours of talk time, 128 gigabytes of storage, and it'll have Android 10 with one UI on board. And of course, how it works is order the day, wait for your friend to arrive, pick a plan, and activate online. Pretty simple, you know. So the features are of the Galaxy S10. Pretty much, I really don't have to go through this, but I will anyway. Like I said, y'all guys know what the Galaxy S10 has to offer in terms of features and specs. The phone's been out for over a year phone's been out for over a year now on carriers except for Boost. So it's completely redesigned to remove interruptions. No knots, no distractions. Precise laser cutting and a dynamic AMOLED screen that's easy on the eyes makes the infinity display our most innovative yet. Simply touch the glass to unlock. Of course, you do have an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint ID. So that's where the fingerprint sensor is in the display. So that's pretty cool. So it's ultrasonic in-display fingerprint ID protects and unlocks with the first touch. Power is yours to share. Wireless power share lets you charge Galaxy devices or even if friends find away from their device. So, pretty cool. Stream and share whatever life takes you. Intelligent Wi-Fi bridges faster speeds with Wi-Fi 6. So you'll get Wi-Fi 6 on this, which is pretty cool. Connecting reliability and security even in public networks. And it seamlessly switches to LTE to hit incredible data speeds up to 2 gigabytes per second. But that also depends on the area and stuff like that. There is no 5G on this phone. This is just a regular Galaxy S10. This is not the S10 5G. This is just a regular S10. This will only have 4G LTE. We won't make 5G on this one. A total game changer. We have engineered both hardware and software to give you performance enhancing game. We have engineered both hardware and software to give you performance enhanced gaming with minimal lag. Experience seamless gaming with up to 1 terabyte of storage, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and lightning fast 855 Snapdragon processor. A full kit of lenses built right in. The multi-camera puts primary camera in your pocket to make your photos, selfies, and videos effortlessly epic and instantly shareable. Use the ultra-wide camera to take stunning cinematic photos with a full field of vision, just like the human eye. Store more and do more. With up to 1 terabyte of storage, shoot all the selfies, bursts, and 4K videos you need without running out of room. A smarter camera for better photos. Process knows what you're looking at and can offer suggestions and adjust settings to help you get the epic shots with a tap. Daily rituals. Elevated. Basic routine suggests frequently used apps and tasks, space and time or location to develop a naturally smart experience just for you. When you have to get the Galaxy S10 for boost, y'all guys have Android 10 pre-installed with One UI. Says get help when you need it with live caption, smart reply, adjust the navigation and more. Customize your phone and get things done just the way you want it. The Galaxy S10 is also Mexico roaming capable, of course, and that is pretty cool. It says stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Plan add-on required for that to work. Alright. Then of course you have voice roaming capable, of course. It says keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Sprint network. Select plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. And of course you have mobile hotspot on hand as well. Don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on-the-go access varies by plan. Alright? And the specs from the Galaxy S10. Pretty much y'all guys should know the specs by now. It's been over a year now since this one's been out. So it's been out for over a year, but it's new to Boost Mobile, so I still don't know why Boost Mobile just got the 1080 instead of the regular Galaxy S10. Last time I'm not sure when they did that. I'm still puzzled about that. But anyway, it's the specs from the Galaxy S10. You have a 3400 mAh battery, 34 hours of talk time, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 12 gigabyte You have 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of ROM. Will support up to 512 gigabytes of micro SD, Snapdragon 855 Android 10, 16 megapixel ultra wide angle rear facing camera, and a 12 megapixel front facing camera. Is it really 12 megapixels? Is it 10? I think it's 10. It's not 12. I think it's 10 on the front. I don't know why it says 12 there, but okay. The display is 6.1 inches Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED. Dimensions are 2.77 inches in width, 5.90 inches in height, 0.30 inches in depth, and the Galaxy S10 weighs 5.53 ounces. Your connectivity options for the S10. You have Wi-Fi enabled, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C. You also have NFC on board, so you'll be able to use Google Pay, Apple Pay, stuff like that on there. And other features, you have wireless charging, wireless power share, and screen ultrasonic fingerprint reader. What you guys get in the box is the Samsung Galaxy S10 travel adapter, USB connector, which is an O2G dongle, which is pretty cool. Quick start guide, protective film, so come with the pre-installed screen protector on there, so that's pretty cool. You also have a USB-C data cable, ejection pin. You also have earphones, some by AKG, and a clear cover. And it also comes. It will come with a clear case as well, so that is pretty cool. So yeah. If you guys need help with your Galaxy S10, Beast Mobile can help you out with that. So want to know everything there is to know about this phone, done everything from setting up your email to managing all of your games and applications. So there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S10 is now at Beast Mobile. It's available now for $649.99, carrying on sale. The full retail price of the Galaxy S10 at Beast Mobile is $749.99. So now finally Beast Mobile got the Galaxy S10. Even though that this phone's a year old, it's still a good phone to pick up for 2020. It's all fights and fine, of course. It still has great specs on it, so even though that the S10 is a year old now, it's still worth picking up. So the choice is yours. But I don't know why Beast Mobile just got the Galaxy S10 8 last year and not the Galaxy S10 last year. I don't know why they did not get both, but it is what it is. But now the Galaxy S10 is not her at Beast Mobile, so that's a win. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have the last man I love, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.